Hi, Yichen. Yichen. Hello. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? You say, I'm good. Uh, I'm fine, thank you. Very good. Okay. Well, this lesson for today, we're going to talk about a little bit of review for. Okay. You're excited. Go, 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 go. But we are already in page 27, so let's skip all of those. What letter is this? It's letter L. L is for L is for lion. Say lion. L is for lion. Say lion. Lion. L is for lemon. Say lemon. 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 Say lemon. Lemon. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Very good. Next, let's see. Okay, I want you to trace this letter L, and I know that you're so good with this. So I'm gonna give you a pen. Oh, you did use a brush. Can you use the pen, not the brush? Use the pen. Okay, very good. That is letter L, the big letter L. Very good. Good job, Yuchen. I will give you a reward. Okay, next. How about the small letter L? Oh, not that, not that. This small letter L. Very good. Good job. And because of that, I will give you a pizza. 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 What do you like? Do you like pizza or hamburger? Pizza or hamburger? Hamburger. Hamburger. I'm gonna eat the hamburger. What animal is that? Say lion. It's a lion. Very good. This is a lion. Very good. Next. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Say lemon. Lemon. It's a lemon. Why you keep doing this? You keep doing that. Are you sleepy? It's a lemon, okay? L L L. It's lemon. Lion. Okay, you're such a funny kid, Yuchen. Okay, can you find all the L? Can you find all the letter L? Big letter L and small letter L. Find this. I will give you a pen. Okay, find it. I know you can do it because you're a smart kid. Look closely to the picture. Where are those big letter L and small letter L? Okay, Very good. Very good. Okay. How about in this part? Where are those letter L? Very good. Good job. Very good. Find the donut. Find the donut. Where's the donut? Left or right? 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 Oh, there you go. There you have it. You can eat the donuts. What's this? Jellyfish. Say jelly. Very good. Jellyfish. What's this? Oh, very good. Kangaroo. Okay, what's this? Keys. Very good. Can you show me your toy? They look the same. Look, they look the same, right? It's color green. Yeah, dinosaur. Very good. Okay, this one. Jellyfish. What letter? What letter is jellyfish starts with? Choose these answers here at the bottom, okay? Very good. It's letter J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Very good. Now this one. Lemon. What letter is lemon starts with? Good. It starts with letter L. L for lemon. What letter is keys starts with? Wow, smart kid. Smart kid right there, Yichen. Very good. It's letter K. K for keys. How about this one? This is too easy for you. Lion. Good job. L for lion. L for lion. Very good. Look, lion. Okay, now your turn. I will give you a pen. Okay, try to draw this. Try to draw this. Lion. Let's make a handicrafts. It's a lion. What's that? It looks like a broccoli. Robot, very good. Now this one. A doll, very good. This one. Kite. Kite. Very good. This one. Car, very good. Good job. This one. Ball. Wow. It's not a book. It's a bike. Bike. Very good. A robot, a doll, kite, car, ball, and bike. Very good. Very good, Yuchen. Good job. Now, what's your favorite toy? My favorite toy is Puppy. My favorite toy is puppy. And your favorite toy
Bye
is
bye.
dinosaur. Bye bye, dinosaur.
Bye
Bye bye,
bye.
dinosaur.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye, dinosaur. Bye bye.